Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I'm going to be doing a drab to fab type of makeup tutorial using some of my favorite products that I've tried so far in my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. So at this point I've tried over 100 different makeup products, so I definitely have some really great products that I've come to love that I use all the time. So I wanted to put them all together into a video of how I actually have been using some of my favorite products that I've come across throughout this series. So if you want to see how I've been using these products to get a glam look, then please keep watching. So one type of product that I have not had much success with and haven't really found a great version of is an eyeshadow. So I haven't tried that many eyeshadows on my channel, so I just am going to do a pretty simple eye look today. I'm going to start out by taking the Ulta Beauty Tinted Eye Primer, and I'll apply it to my entire eyelid. I actually took way too much onto my finger. It's a waste. So I really like this primer as just a cream type of eyeshadow, so I'm going to use it as some of my eyeshadow color today, but I'm going to deepen up the crease using the Beauty Benefits bronzer that I got at the dollar store. And then I just realized I'm not actually using any real eyeshadow products because the next product that I want to put as an eyeshadow color is actually the Laura Geller Baked Highlighter. I'm going to keep these eyes very simple, keeping them bronzy. I just want to lighten up the inside. I feel like that applied a bit better, a little bit more pigmented using my finger. Blend it all together. So now I just have some very neutral, bronzy eyes. I'm going to line my upper lash line using the Ulta eyeliner pencil. And now before I go in with my false eyelashes, I'm going to coat my eyelashes in the Tarte Maneater mascara. And then for lashes, I'm going to use the Andrea 5 of a Kind number 45 lashes. Okay, my eyes are all done. Now we can get on to the face. I'm going to start out by priming, and I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Mattifying Face Primer. And then I'll take my LA Colors Green Concealer to do some light redness reducing on my cheeks. And a couple spots on my chin, blemish on my forehead. Let's blend that in. For foundation, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. For concealer, I definitely have to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I use the shade Fair Neutral. I feel like this product has been the game changer for me. Since I started using this concealer, it's really upped my makeup game. I just love how bright my under eyes look now. Always have to set the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, so I use the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. When I first tried this, I didn't love it for under eyes, but it works so great on top of the Shape Tape Concealer. And the Born This Way powder doesn't give me flashbacks, so that's good. Gosh, that powder is just so smoothing on my skin. Oh, it's so good. Next, I need to bronze up this skin, and of course I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. For my blush today, I'm going to use the LA Colors All-in-One Makeup Stick. Then for highlight, I want to go in with the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pinklite. And then to enhance the highlight a little bit, I'm going to go in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfecting Powder in the shade Opal. Next for brows, I'm going to take the NYX Build 'em Up powder. Next, I'm going to set my brows using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. And lastly, for lips, it was so hard to choose a lip product today because I've tried so many great ones, but I was kind of thinking about the look that I wanted to go for today. I almost chose the Casey Holmes Palladio liquid lip in the shade Georgia, but I figured I wanted something a little bit more glamorous, so I went with the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Pink Ice that I got at the Dollar Tree. I just love this shade of pink so much. And I feel like I'm doing a neutral eye, so it goes. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do my lower lash line, and I actually am going to take the LA Colors All-in-One Makeup Stick and line my lower lash line in some pink. And then taking the Tarte Maneater Mascara on my lower lashes. So here we have the finished makeup look using a bunch of my favorite products that I've tried so far in this makeup series. Every product I used was part of the series, but it's really hard to choose a favorite sometimes, but I love how this look came out. I have so many great makeup products in my collection now. I'm so lucky, and this trying a new makeup product everyday series has been so much fun, so I'm definitely going to have to make more tutorials like this. So if you have any requests for any certain types of tutorials, leave them in the comments down below. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I upload every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.